Why readers love The Edge of Justice. This morning I received a message from a reader who wrote, "Garrick's internal monologue is more honest than a lot of authors are willing to commit to." This reader was intrigued with a character who's not perfect, just painfully real. Garrick is a junior scout caught in a war he's duty-bound to fight, torn between his mission and a mysterious, beautiful, and intelligent woman who challenges everything he thought he knew. If you like emotionally complex characters, moral conflict, and slow-burn romantic tension, this is your next read, or your next listen. If you live in the US or UK, contact me for promo codes that will enable you to download the audiobook version absolutely free. The Edge of Justice, the first novel in the Deveran Conflict Series, is available now on Amazon or directly from me at www.newadventure.ca/books. It's adventure for your mind and romance for your heart.